Guys, welcome back. This is Lavanya here. So after our 1 week, after 2 to 3 days, as you saw in the vlog, we spent a lot of time exploring. Yeah, it's very cold here, by the way. Look at us, we're wearing coats and stuff. And in India, it's summer, but over here it's like extremely cold.
Look.
And now we are here for grocery shopping in one of the largest stores. Look how large this is. So Chachi is gonna explain to us the place. Where are we exactly?
So we are at the Wegmans in Medford, Massachusetts. This is one of the biggest grocery chains we have here. So you can get anything here other than clothing. So if you need diapers, alcohol, juice, bread, eggs, anything you might need, you can find it here.
We have everything here and it's so huge. And look at Amai, he's already exploring stuff.
It's very cold. How will I take all of this?
It's so cold. It's so cold and yet he's getting juice in the cold. Like, I mean, because it's you get dehydrated very easily. We're gonna explain the store. So basically this week I was exploring universities and stuff. I was going on university tours. So I didn't record it because I wanted to pay attention to the tours and stuff. Over here I was grocery shopping. So let me give you a tour of the store. To the sweet section, the best part of grocery shopping and any kind of shopping. Look at the sweets, man. I think I would just buy this whole area if I had the money to buy the whole area. Because, okay. As we collected I got some donuts and we got muffins. And look at this, that's frozen pizza, right? Yeah. There's like pizza over here and you can like heat it up and you can eat it.
Oh, it comes like this.
Yes, that's it. My vlog has started. Give us a tour of all the different cereal boxes you see here.
We have Kellogg's here. Finally.
We have Kellogg's, a brand that we only thought existed in India. There are so many different cereals though.
Kellogg's Chocos. इतना मजेदार taste. ये chocolatey मजा.
Amay is gonna advertise. Amay, where is the Guardians of the Galaxy one?
It's in the cart.
So this is the Guardians of the Galaxy version. Reese's Puffs. Guardians of the Galaxy version. Huge fan of Guardians of the Galaxy. And I just watched Wall 3 and it was an amazing movie. So this is our cart. It's filled with stuff. We bought a bunch of ramen and stuff. There's so much that we have bought. This is our cart and we have to go to billing for it. Well, it's not all for me, of course. We are a huge family, so it's for our family.
अभी हम दूध ले रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ अभी हम दूध ले रहे हैं.
संस्कृत में बोल दे दुग्ध.
अभी हम दूध ले रहे हैं.
क्या ले रहे हैं?
हम दूध ले रहे हैं.
That's in Sanskrit.
खाना ये नहीं लिया तूने राइस.
Actually पापा वो छोड़ो. Fruit Loops.
No, I want the Guardians of the Galaxy one.
ये Fruit Loops.
Oh yeah, we're going to a drive-through, guys.
Like watermelon. Guys, rather black seeds. Okay, this is the real
Hi,
drive.
can I take your order?
Hi there. Could we get 2 plain cheeseburgers with cheese?
2 plain cheeseburgers.
2 plain cheeseburgers, 2 large fries, 2 large onion rings, and the mozzarella sticks. Is there a super large size or is it just a 16 piece?
You want what? They have 4-piece, 8-piece, 20-piece.
We'll do the
Mozzarella
20
stick.
piece, please.
20-piece.
You want a soft serve?
Anything else?
I think that's good.
Okay. 2903. Second one more.
Thank you.
No soft serve for you.
I didn't even want one. Wow. Yeah.
I have to shout out the window.
Tater tot.
Actually, I could have sat in your spot.
Yeah.
One day they asked.
Cheese pull part 2. Day is not yet over because we came home and we had bought teriyaki noodles and we're gonna try it. Amai, taste it. Be careful, it's hot.
You made it, right?
Yes, we made it ourselves. Chachi made it.
No, you made it. I just guided.
Oh. How is it? How is it?
good. Nice, thank you. Have some mushrooms. Let me do you, Lavanya.
Oh, from here. We need an angle.
Yeah.
Okay, let's taste.
Very good.
Ooh, look at that.
How's the mushrooms?
The sauce is so good. Look at the mushroom.
Very good.
The mushroom tastes awesome.
Yeah. I'm glad you
The
like
best
it.
ramen I've had.
Yay. Okay.
Amazing.
Enjoy.
Our day is over.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Yeah.
So currently we are in Public Garden in Boston and it's such a pretty place. So what a dress. I'll add the pictures. You look really amazing. Such a beautiful place. This is like, look at this. We have a dog. Look. Our friends. Hi. Look at it. I'm taking a selfie now. And there's amazing singers over there in the back, amazing songs. It's all really pretty. It's very pretty over here. It's so fun. I really love today. We also went to an escape room and the escape room was amazing. I'm going to talk more about it in the car, of course, because right now we want to enjoy the view. Such a pretty place. I'm going to attach photos and stuff. It's a very beautiful place.